Hello everyone and welcome to Goes to 11 Get Spun. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble one of our Getting Hooked Lures French blade spinners. So we'll start out with a 30 thou stainless steel wire. I'll leave quite a bit of tail through here because I'm going to bend that through my brass body and lock everything in place with that end of the wire. So bend the V in there. I'll add a 1/0 stainless steel split ring to that. Above that we'll put a 3/16 inch brass bead. I'll squeeze my wire shut, slide that on. Then we'll slide a bead cone, a turbo cone on top of that bead. Whoops, put that on the wrong direction. Turn it over. And I put the cup facing upwards because I want it to go along the bottom face of my lure body. Okay, my lure body is a brass body painted with translucent blue powder paint. So install that on there. Slide everything on here. Pull everything down nice and tight. Bend that tag over. Trim that off with my snippers. And then we've got it looking like that. So that's got nice contrast between the gold turbo cone and the blue body. And then on top of that, we'll add an 1/8 inch brass bead. Then I've got a number 3 clevis that's going to hold our blade on. So we slip that on halfway, install our number 4 blade, French blade, and this one is brass. I slide that on, make sure it spins nice and free. I like to add a second 1/8 inch brass bead above that. That way if your blade slides up the shaft towards your loop, there's no chance of your clevis hanging up on the end of your wire where you've twisted it to tie it. Okay, so bend that around, snip that off, create our V in our wire. That into our twister. Twist it until you hear the click. I always check to make sure everything still stays aligned nice and straight. And my next step is going to be to install the hook. I'm going to use a number 4 C-wash single hook on this one. And we can use a treble hook or double hook or whatever kind of hook that people prefer. But I like using single hooks on my own personal lures because I find they're easier to get out because I fish, catch, and release all the time. So there we go, that spins nice and free. And that's our Getting Hooked Lures French blade spinner. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please click like on this video, and if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the reminder bell so that you don't miss any further content from Goes to 11. And check out the fishing store at fishingandoutdoors.ca. Thank you, and tight lines.